welcome to my channel, Sristi Saha. I am Madam Sristi. Today I would like to tell about my hobby. A hobby is a work done with pleasure during the leisure time without hoping for any monetary benefit. There are many kinds of hobbies like gardening, stamp collecting, drawing, writing, reading, etc. I have chosen gardening as my favorite hobby. We have a house garden. There I work for 30 minutes in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. I dig the soil, sow the seeds, plant the plants, fruits and flowers, and water them. Gardening gives me pleasure and exercise. It also gives us fresh vegetables, fruits and flowers. Gardening is also a good means of sending our leisure. It is a good means of recreation too. So I have chosen gardening. There is fig. This is mango tree. This is lady's finger. This is Malta. This is hibiscus. This is also hibiscus. This is guava tea. This is jujubes. This is cherry. This is chili.